Om Sai Ram to all my YouTube subscribers and followers. First of all, very sorry that I have not been posting Sai message for a long time, and thank you all because you all have been always wanting me to post, and I've always waited when I will bring back the Sai messages. Now this is a deck which was given by a very close student of mine, so I thought why not start with messages from this deck. Manifestations. Whenever I see this card, I just say one thing: why fear when Baba is there? Because I only know one thing: whenever I have stretched my hand asking him for help, he has holded my hand. So here also, somewhere I feel he's just saying why fear when I am there. But yes, I want to say one thing about Baba, that he always says Shraddha and Saburi is something which you need. So here you will have to have your faith and wait with patience. If you expect him to give you immediately, then it becomes that he will always show that he will only give when he wants, and he will obviously test you when he knows that you love him the most. So have patience, have faith, and believe me, whenever you extend your hand asking him, Baba, help me, you will not even know from where the help is coming, but the help will come, because he says कि मैं आप सब के लिए हूँ, and he actually means it, every word. So let's see. I'm so tempted seeing this card that I should pull one more card for all you beautiful people. See this, it's another beautiful thing. Baba will destroy your fear and protect you. This is very true. Many a times in my case, in starting stages, I used to really worry a lot, really fear a lot. There came a stage when I decided, when I am his daughter, when I am his friend, when he is my father, my well-wisher, my guide, he's everything for me, then why should I worry? Why should I bother? Why should I even break my head wondering what is happening in my life? There have been days when I have had fear of losing my loved one. Now I know one thing: Baba will never let me down. Baba will never do anything which he knows would hurt me the most. And he knows when what has to be given to me, or when what will be taken away from me. So that's the reason I always believe that Baba is there. When he is there, there is nothing else to worry about. He will not only protect us, he will even take care of us. He will also fulfill our wishes, but he will only fulfill the wish if he knows it is good for us, or else he will protect us from that wish which might not be good for us. He will always take care of us. He might test you, and believe me, he tests you a lot when he knows you love him a lot, and he tests you a lot only when he loves you a lot, or else he will give you everything and he will take away his hand from you. But if he is not giving you, it means he is waiting for the right time, and he's waiting for the right thing to give you, and that will be the best thing which you will get in life. So I would again say, have Shraddha, have Saburi, have faith in him, and just put your hand out, fight with him, beg him, do whatever you feel is apt. But one thing, believe me, when you fight, when you beg, or whatever you do to him, ultimately he will listen to you. He will sit there smiling, wondering, let's see to what extent this child will go. But end of the day, he will give you what you want. Om Sai Ram.